Thank you, Tennessee. Thank you, Black Rifle Coffee, Tennessee. It's a great moment. Woo-hoo. Woo!
Jabez Burns has always supported our military troops. He was the first to come up with a coffee roaster in North America. It's 100% American made, and we've been going since 1864. After World War I, our GIs getting back had become accustomed to coffee, which was big in Europe, not in the US. Roaster sales exploded across the US to keep up with the demand. As of World War II, the GIs, or the soldiers going back to war, demanded the coffee. That's what they wanted, that's what they were used to, so the US Army bought 40 of them, the US Marine Corps bought a couple of them. So this is the Jabez Burns sales log. It starts at 1904 and runs all the way up into 1990s. If you notice here, on January of 1942, Pearl Harbor was bombed on December 7th, 1941. Some of the roasters that were purchased by the US Army were actually airdropped certain locations in Europe where the GIs themselves roasted their own coffee to supply troops in the general area. As you can see here, in the 1940s, the US Marine Corps was also buying 23Rs. The US Army, again, buying more 23R roasters. And then the US Navy was also buying 23R roasters. And this is the same model 23R ACO modular that they built back in the day that will be put together for Black Rifle Coffee in Manchester, Tennessee.
It's special to me because it was, when I first started building roasters, this was my largest assignment that I had, and ever since I started building it, it just became my own. And I take, a lot of pride in building it. It's kind of like, I don't have kids, but if I had to say it was like watching a kid grow up, this is like my kid. Because once I start building it, all you see right now is just pieces. When it comes fully assembled, then it's like it's grown up. And everything that we do here, my colleague, myself, it's all done by hand. So it's not like a cookie cut situation. Every single one of these you build is going to be special in its own way.
Considering our unique history as Jabez Burns and being 100% American made, it's nice to support a veteran-owned company. Anything that's supporting our troops, any company that's based here in the US, such as us, we're always going to want to support them.